You are belong to class 10 ICSE board. Let us complete more trigonometry sums from the book. See the question I have taken from the book exercise 19a. Question given sec square theta plus cos square theta root over given is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. We have to prove equal to tan theta plus cot theta. See, as you know, sec square theta formula is what? 1 plus tan square theta. And cos square theta formula is what? 1 plus cot square theta square root. Just to arrange here, tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now this 1 plus 1 2, I can write here tan theta into cot theta, because tan theta into cot theta is how much? 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Therefore I can write here. Now this is nothing but tan theta plus cot theta whole square root over a plus b whole square formula is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this will be tan theta plus cot theta, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, this is the way of proving the trigonometrical identities. Now which formula applied here? Write the formula here. Since sec square theta means what? 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and cos square means 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos square theta. I have applied here. Again here tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. That formula I have applied here. Okay, and here these two formula I applied here. Just you see. Now tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta is equal to tan theta plus cot theta whole square. Since you can apply here, since you know a square plus 2ab plus b square. Which formula this is? A plus b whole square. All the formula written here. Question given sec square theta plus cos square theta root over is equal to tan theta plus square. We need tan theta and plus cot theta. You have to break. Sec square theta is how much? 1 plus tan square theta. Cos square theta is how much? 1 plus cot square. Now just arrange here. Here 2 coming, I have written here 2 tan theta into cot, because tan into cot is equal to 1. Now this is a plus b whole square, tan theta plus cot theta whole square. Final answer is your right hand side. Let us go next number 2. See, question number 2. Question given, you have to prove the trigonometrical identity 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. Okay, this is the left hand side. Before equal to sign, this is the left hand side I have written here. Now tell me, what is the formula for 1 plus tan square theta? That is nothing but sec square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta formula is what? Cos square theta. Cos square. Sec means what? 1 by cos square. Sin cos square means what? 1 by sin square theta. Now take LCM. LCM will be cos square theta into sin. This will be here sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is nothing but 1. Okay, 1 by cos square theta into, this is the left hand side. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta. This is the left hand side. Okay. Now see, right hand side I am breaking. What is the right hand side? The right hand side given 1 by sin square theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. You have to take sin square common, sin square theta, 1 minus cos, 1 minus sin square theta left. I have taken sin square theta common. Now tell me, 1 by sin square theta. What is here? 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square means cos square. Cos square theta. Now see, 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta. Same thing you are getting on that. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Disproved or not? Okay. Just have taken common here sin square theta in the denominator. it is coming 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square nothing but cos square, which is nothing but equal to left hand side. Okay, the formula I applied here, 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. 1 plus cos square theta formula is what? Cosec square theta. Sec means what? 1 by cos, reciprocal theorem. Cosec means 1 by sin. This is the way of solving number 2. Let us go number 3. See the question number 3. I have taken from the book exercise 19a. 1 minus tan theta whole square plus 1 minus cos theta whole square is equal to sec theta minus cosec theta whole square. First you copy the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Before equal to sign, that is 1 minus tan theta whole square. And this is 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now break a minus whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab means minus 2 tan theta. Same thing here, a minus whole square is 1 plus cos square theta plus the minus given here, okay, minus 2 cos theta minus 2 cos theta. Now this 1 plus tan square is how much? And 1 plus tan square is sec square theta. And here 1 plus cos square means cosec square theta. Minus 2 tan theta minus 2 cos theta. I can take minus 2 common. What is left here? Tan theta plus cos theta. Now you tell me, this is sec square theta plus cosec square theta minus 2. Tan means what? Sin theta by cos theta. Cos means cos by sin. So finally we get what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Yes or no? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Cos means cos theta by sin theta. So LCM will be sin theta cos theta, which will be sin square, it will be cos square. Sin square plus cos square is also 1 by this. Finally we are getting sec square theta plus cosec square theta minus 1 by this, and 2 by this. This will be 2 sec theta into cosec theta. Why? Because 1 by sin means cosec, 1 by cos means sec. Now this is nothing but sec theta minus cosec theta whole square. Sec theta minus cosec theta whole square, which is nothing but your right hand side. Just follow the process of solving. Okay. A minus b whole square formula applies here. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Same thing here, a minus whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta. 1 plus cos square, cosec square I have written here. Minus 2 tan theta, minus 2 cos theta, I have taken minus 2 common. Tan theta plus cos, tan means what? Sin by cos, cos means cos by sin. Taking LCM, I am getting sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is nothing but 1. 1 by sin means cosec, 1 by cos means sec. I am writing here 2 sec theta cosec theta. This is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2 means sec theta minus cosec theta whole square, which is nothing but your right hand side. This is the way of solving number 3. Let us go number 4. See the question number 4. Sin cube theta plus cos cube theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Here plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta. You have to be equal to 2. Okay. First of all, you have to copy the left hand side. I have copied here. Now you have to apply here a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube formula is what? A plus b is sin theta plus cos theta. A plus b whole into a square. A square plus b square minus ab. I am writing first cos square because it will be 1. A square plus b square minus ab means sin theta into cos. This is 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Now plus sign given here. I am writing here plus sign. Same thing, a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b whole into a square means cos square, a square theta, a square plus b square plus cos theta into sin theta. Bracket close, divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Which formula apply here? AQ plus BQ and AQ minus BQ formula. Right here, since AQ plus BQ formula is what? A plus B whole into A square minus AB plus B square. And AQ minus BQ formula is what? A minus B whole into A square plus AB plus B square. I applied this formula, okay? Using that formula, now this will be cancelled out. This part will cancel out. Same thing, this part also cancel out. Sin square plus cos square is what? 1. 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, plus sign given. And here cos square plus sin square also 1. 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Now minus sin theta cos theta and plus cos theta sin theta. Same thing will be cancelled. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? Equal to 2, which is equal to right hand side. Very easy question. Okay. Very easy question to understand. Just you have to apply the formula here. AQ plus BQ. A plus B whole into A square minus AB plus B square. Applied here. Here AQ minus BQ I applied here. A minus B whole into A square plus B square plus